Assalamu alaikum students. Now we are going to start a new topic, vegetation, forest and wildlife. Vegetation. Due to variation in climatic condition of Pakistan, there are mostly four types of forests are there. Pakistan is a country which has a variety of climatic changes. In the northern areas, the temperature remains very low, and in the then we come to the south. The temperature is mild, and in the some parts it is very cold. It is very high. So there is a variety of the climatic condition, and the vegetation depends upon it. The first one is forest of north and northwestern areas of Pakistan. These are the areas which are mostly present in KPK. Receive these. Now it is the first. Write the first heading here: forest of north and northwestern areas of Pakistan. Some northern and northwestern areas of Pakistan receive more of rain as compared to that of the other areas. We know it very well that the northern area receive a lot of rainfall. The example is you can say that it is Murree. In Murree, the amount of rainfall is very high. So the kind of trees are also present here, and in very large abundant amount. Kind of the trees. Now write the heading here: kind of trees. Evergreen forests are found here. The most important of them are of deodar trees, fir, blue pine, spruce trees, snowbird. These are the names, few names of the very popular trees here. What we get from here? High quality timber yard is available by these trees. High quality timber yard. The timber yard mean high quality of wood is present here. Oak, walnut and chestnut trees are found in abundance. What type of trees? Oak, walnut and chestnut trees are found in abundance in very large amount. Important forest areas. Which are the important forest areas of these? Murree, Abbottabad, Mansehra, Chitral, Swat. These are the places full of forests. These are the all areas which are present in KPK. Okay, because these are the forest of north and northwestern areas of Pakistan. So these are the Murree, Abbottabad, Mansehra, Chitral, Swat. These are the places full of forest. This is the one type. Now come to the second part of it: forest of the foothill areas. Now it is the top, and not we come at the bottom areas of these. In the foothill areas of the district of Peshawar, Mardan, Kohat, Attak, Rawalpindi, Jhelum and Gujarat. These are the areas of the foothill areas. Kind of trees. What type of kind of trees are here? Mostly Phulahi, Kahu, Jant, Acacia, wild olive and blackberry trees are found here. So in the foothill area, what type of trees? Phulahi, Kahu, Jant, Acacia, wild olive and black trees are found here. Third type of forest is forest of Quetta and Kalar division of Balochistan. First one is KPK and northern area. Second one is in Punjab. Third one we goes to the Quetta and Kalar division of the Balochistan. In Quetta and Kalar division of Balochistan, beside thorny bushes, there are trees of mazu, pine nut, blackberry and poplar. These are the main trees which are present in Quetta and Kalar division. It is a special type, so it is a number 3. Now come to the number 4. Forest of the plain areas. Plain areas, these are mostly in Punjab and Sindh. There are some forests in the plain area. Kinds of trees, they consist of shisham, the Indian rosewood trees, poplar, mulberry, sumbal, jamun, black plum, dharek and eucalyptus trees. Important forest areas. What are the important forests? The area where these forests are found include Changamanga, Chichavatni, Khanewal, Toba Tek Singh, Rakulama, Thal, Bahawalpur, Tonsa, Sakhar, Kotri and Gadu. Yes, these all areas are the plain areas of Pakistan. These are the areas which are present mostly in Punjab and Sindh. There are forests of Bela forest along the river. These Bela forests are the forests which are present along the river. These are in small, this height is of 5 to 6 feet and they are in the form of grass. Other than these forests, trees can be seen along the national highway and canals. Along these, though they are summing up this topic, that these are the 4 types. After that, we have also seen a large number of trees along the national highway and canals of Pakistan. So now we are going to sum up this topic. Vegetation. How many types of forests are there? First one is north and northwestern area. Second one is forest of foothill area. Third one is forest of Quetta and Kalar division of Balochistan. Third was in forest of plain area. So this is the end of the topic of your vegetation. And then next we start the importance of the vegetation.